The Christmas festivities officially appeared at the Plaza Hotel in Seoul when we visited. We got an upgrade and stayed at one of their premier suites. With its prime location and competitive price, this hotel is highly recommended while staying in Myeongdong area. Let me give you a tour of our room. The suites have double door, ample storage space with floor-to-ceiling mirrors facing it. Beside it is an elegantly decorated living area adorned by statement furniture pieces. This is my favorite spot in the suite. The bedroom is well lit and cozy with soft beddings ensuring good night's sleep. The bathroom is modern and gleaming with huge tub, a rain shower, and fully automated heated toilet. The room also offers a bird's eye view of the city from each vast window.